Hello everyone, it's me Marie. Today I'm vlogging. It's January 15, 2024. It's a snowy day here in the country, in the countryside of Tennessee. It's cold, but it's pretty. I'm just reminded that right now it's not your normal weather. Some people, 2 or 3 days before storm like this or snow, people will go to the grocery stores and panic. They buy all kinds of things, their necessities, like before the storm. And we live on a hill, and I'm imagining that we'll be stuck up here for several days until the snow get melted, and our driveway is gravel. It's not paved. So in the past, when there's snow and ice, we're stuck here for several days, like even more than a week. It's because it's not really easy to shovel. It's not easy to shovel a snowy driveway unless it's paved. And I'm imagining that those families that are capable of preparing themselves, like at least several weeks, they have enough time to prepare because here in America, forecast usually is available even weeks before the winter storm, or unless it's a tornado. But here in Tennessee, it's funny. People made a joke. People that live up north, they made a joke because people that live in the south, they panic. So they go to the grocery stores, buy milk, toiletry, bread, and whatnot to prepare for the coming snow. I mean, to me, it's like, yeah, we live here in Tennessee. I did not grow up living in America. But to me, it makes sense to prepare not only for inclement weather or snow or storm. It's nice to be able to prepare ahead of time so that you don't have to go to the grocery stores every single week. I mean, it's a choice, and at the same time, it depends on your finances. And even if you don't have a lot of budget to buy for weeks or months worth of needs, you can still make preparations. That's just my point of view. That's just how I see things. Because when do you really prepare? When there is catastrophe, there's calamities that happen already. So I feel blessed that my husband and I, my family, we are still able to eat, even though, yeah, we don't live so close to the city. It's like 25-30 minutes away. I mean, to some people that live off grid, 25 minutes is still close. But yeah, that's how far away we are right now. And so in my background here, that's our greenhouse. The greenhouse is covered, and there's veggies growing in there. So I want to take you over there. So if anything, if you just want some greens, we can go over there and get something. I planted some kale. Well, actually, the kale I did not plant. They reseeded. There are seeds from last spring's kale, and so that's what's growing right now. So let me go over there and show you the greens. There's probably 6 inches of snow right now on the ground. So let me just go to the greenhouse and show you the green veggies that are growing. Over there, the first section of the garden, I have some greens growing there. There's lettuce. There's actually broccoli there, but I don't think broccoli is going to make some broccoli heads or flowers right now. But if anything, you can eat the greens. So that's all. And then I have some collard greens over there, and I also have lettuce and pak choy. I'm going to harvest the pak choy later because they will be frozen. That's the banana. Okay, now I'm right here in front of the greenhouse. Let's see I want to see what's over here. I will show you what's growing in here, and they will be okay. Look at that. Welcome to our greenhouse. Okay, what's over here? There's birds. So So the kale, they look a little wilty, but they're fine. They will survive. I have some arugula and I have some Swiss chard here. There's not much going on here. There's not a lot of veggies. I have Swiss chard. I have some turnips still. I have a few beet greens. Here's the turnips. And yeah, it's been cold. So there's not a lot here, but enough that if you want some greens, we can eat and harvest. So as you know, living in the country where there's 4 seasons is a challenge. But at the same time, if you prepare, if you plan, and if you execute your plan, there's a lot of advantages if you live in the country and if you're prepared. But if you live in the city, you can go to the grocery stores, there's convenience nearby. But at the same time, you are dependent on what the grocery stores can provide for you. But what if one of us all of a sudden there's no supply for you to buy? So that's going to be the challenge. That's why we are admonished, we are advised to be self-sufficient. That way we don't have to depend on other people to provide food for us. And the country place is beautiful. There's a lot of work to do. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of planning, and no doubt, country living has many challenges. But don't let the word challenges discourage you. Challenges will help shape our character and boost our faith in God. Our efforts mean nothing without God's guidance and providence. So, whatever your plans are, whatever you do, don't forget to ask God first. Fast and pray, and God will reveal to you His answer in an amazing way. Be encouraged, my friend. Be encouraged, and God will bless you all the way.